Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to create this beautiful golden chrome design. Let's get started. The materials that we need to create this design: we need golden chrome, thin nail art brush and a builder gel, and I'm using the nail polish very good nail. The set is 11. You guys can see that I'm showing you in the video. And of course, how can we miss some beautiful diamond pearls bow for any design? And I'm just using one diamond that you can see. I don't know actually its name, but let's call it diamond. Starting with very good nail polish, applying it in my nail art plate, of course, in a nail. And for design, we need to create a good base, and for that base we need to apply a thin layer coat of nail polish. I always said and recommended people to use thin layer for first coat, and if you don't like or if you are not satisfied, then you can cure it and again double coat it and cure it. After that, we need good top coat before applying any chrome powder. So I am applying top coat on my nail after curing the nail polish, and again just cure it and take it out, and it's ready for applying chrome powder. I am going to apply golden chrome powder in my nails by the help of a spoon stick that's always come with the chrome powder. And guys, remember one tips: while you are applying chrome powder by the help of sponge stick, then you need to be careful. Don't take a large amount of powder. Just take a little powder and build it up slowly. Like there is no any fixed way how to apply chrome, but it depends on you how much you take the amount of chrome and you put it in your nail. If you take a small amount of chrome and build it properly, then you can see the result how I am getting. But if you take a large amount or very large amount of uh, chrome powder in your spoons and apply it, then it will go insane. After that, you need to apply a good top coat layer and cure it for again 30 seconds. And after applying the top coat and curing it, we need to apply builder gel. It is used in gel nail extension, but we can use it in through many ways. For creating the design like leaf, a little bit leaf I can say, we need a thin brush nail art and builder gel. And here guys, I am going to create the design by the help of builder gel and small nail art brush. First of all, dip it in the builder gel and take out a small amount or the size how you want your design leaf to be. And here you can see I'm taking a little amount and putting it slowly from left side and ending it in middle. And again, take a little amount of builder gel by the help of nail art brush and the same process, but from right side to middle part of the nail, here like this. After that, we need to repeat the same process at the first step again, from left side to middle and right side to middle, and the amount and the design what you wanted to create, how you want it to create, what you want to make it look like. It's all depend on you, and you can create any design by using this method. And guys, you can use top coat as well instead of builder gel if you don't have builder gel. Here I have followed the same step as I have followed in the beginning. You need to take builder gel, a small amount, or how much you want to take or make your design has your choice. By the help of small brush nail art, you need to swipe from left to right and right to left, but stop in the middle. And here you can see it has already started to look beautiful, rich, like, how can I say, it's look rich, beautiful. If you are agree with me on my this statement, then please comment down. It will look like this after applying top coat and curing it for 60 seconds. Guys, I'm really sorry that I forget to record the process of curing it and applying top coat. At last but not least, the time is for our bow and small diamond to be apply, or we can say to stick in nail. I'm sorry, my English a little bit unstable. I hope you guys are understanding. And for that, in order to stick, I'm applying builder gel, little amount of builder gel that it will help to stick the bow with the nail. And Hassel has the same goes for little shiny diamond. After sticking the both my jams in the nail, then we need to cure it in UV lamp for 60 seconds, so it will completely dry. As a result, it will get strong enough and it won't come out very soon. After curing it for 60 seconds, it has perfectly attached with the nail. As you can see, I'm touching it and showing you guys whether it is falling or not. So after that, if you guys like to apply top coat, then you can apply it, and if you don't want to apply top coat, then it's totally upon you. But I like to apply top coat. After applying top coats, as you all know, we need to cure it for 30 seconds and it will be ready. This is the final look of our beautiful nail art with chrome powder. I hope you guys understand this tutorial, how I have created this, and if you guys recreate this design, then please tag me or mention me. And thank you again for joining me from starting to end. I hope you guys like this design, and if you found any question, then please comment down. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye.